Khubor Phibaro Shakatup Khubor Jangi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ka sngi kilong. Banyo kentiu kerdan hospital ya ka kliriat CHC lepin kendria ya ka kliriat blok Shawapung. Klemwan ka Congress bat ka Meghalaya Trinamul Congress syaka jingelang balakot do menteri rangba. Arsni kenti nkang ki bang ban persya ya ka biljong ka sarkar. Bat pensyai u presiden ka KSU halor ka shithi berngem penyap ya kinong lambat ki dekhot ka seng. Bat mintangin pa syaki khubor bakam benya. Kasorkar Jylla kasngi pale kalapin bena balapin kendria no eka kliriat sin ta adi blok Shawapung da kathong banyok penkiu kerdan hospital no eka kliriat CHC. Ia kini lawan ban penbena do menteri rangba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma harungkat ka jinge don lang u menteri katanat sin ta adi ba Hamlet Doling kumju u MLA kathan u ba kermen Shilla nalor ki he sorkar bat ki pat ba kate kathan.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for this beautiful day that He has given to each and every one of us. And also for all the different development programs that are coming as blessing for the people of this region and also for the entire state of Meghalaya. 3.5 years back, when we had taken over the government in 2018, I remember telling some of my cabinet colleagues and also the MLAs who are in the government that yes, we may feel happy, we may also feel proud to be leading the government and running the government. But more than that, we should remember that we are coming with a sense of responsibility. This has to be seen as an opportunity that has been given to us to make a difference in people's lives.
That Mapungsin RD block will be restored back. With the blessing of the Almighty and under the able leadership of our beloved CM Sir Konrad Sama and my dear colleague Sir Hamlet Doling, this long cherished demand of the rightful residents of this area has come to fruition. On behalf of the people of this block, I would like to place on record my sincerest gratitude and appreciation to you both, Sir Konrad and Sir Hamlet, for taking this possible. Our prayer is that God will continue to guide you as you take on the mantle of leading the state to greater heights. With your permission, sir,
Klemwan ka Congress bat ka Meghalaya Trinamul Congress syaka jingelang ka balakod do menteri rangba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma haka khatsan tarik no pra arjar arpoi bania kren bat data yathir haka jinge penbet yo put usama pring ka Jylla Meghalaya bat Assam hadin ka jingwan jurip bat la IT ya ki kaipot da ka regional committee border issue habaya kren chikilat pathai khubor haka khatn riu tarik mentau banai no pra arjar arpoi uba lakmen rumbui ulong bakani ka jingbom wan jengki kadai yo le se badang don ka jingbom sngo thu bakinu ki dei na ka Congress bat kinu ki badai na ka Meghalaya Trinamul Congress wat la ka taru ulong bakila dei banwan knang banyo banyataya thir bat ai jingmut hakabaya dei bat uput usam.
I cannot comment on what is in their mind. Maybe there is a confusion in them. Which is the real Congress, which is the real opposition. Maybe there is still a confusion. So they cannot think nicely because the Congress also maybe they thought that those who went away they are still a Congress, and those who went away also they are thinking that are still a Congress. So this confusion may be there. That's why they didn't attend this meeting. But having said that, whoever may be, when the government have invited, it is the duty and responsibility to attend and express the opinion. Does not matter whether the opinion it is right or wrong or it is in consonance with the thought of the government. That is different issue altogether. But on this major issue, it is a letdown to the people of the state. We have high expectation that this boundary dispute in the state, for the first time, there is a ray of hope that it could be resolved, where a starting could be done, and we may able to settle the dispute so that our fellow friend or fellow brothers and sisters who are living in the border area could live peacefully and do their normal duty without any disturbance.
Ka United Forum of Bank Unions Meghalaya Unit minta ka kanriu terik nopra arjar arpwe kelasdang ye kejingye ki ke baarsni habar ke State Bank of India Shillong branch. Kani kejingye ki jong ka United Forum of Bank Unions kalongkum shibenta ban persya ye ke proposed bill ban privatize ki public sector banks. Aba kren chigilat pathai Khubor uwe ni kinong yalam kaseng ulo ong bakani kejingye ki kejing khang ye ki bank minta bat la shai kasngi kalong ban persya ye ke sarkar halor kejing temu ban penkelai ki artli ki bank sarkar sha ki bank shimet bar ulo ong ru bakini yai persya ye kani ke bill jong ka sarkar.
Savings. We demand safety and security of people's savings. We demand opening of more bank branches. We demand opening of more bank branches. We demand opening of more bank branches. We oppose privatization of public sector branches. We oppose privatization of public sector branches. We oppose retrograde banking reforms. We oppose retrograde banking reforms. We oppose writing of corporate NPAs. We oppose writing of corporate NPAs. We oppose denationalization of public sector banks. We oppose denationalization of public sector banks. We oppose shifting of government business to private banks.
Ni na liang jung ka Meghalaya State Unit jung ka United Forum Bank Unit UFBU ni penlong ni peteng lang ya keshan lang ya ka UFBU sha keleng ka India da ka penlong jing khang tre arsni ni don ka strike arsni mutasi country bala sha new tarik kani ka jing ya khang bang jungi kadi na ka daw ba ka sarkar ka mut pan wanra e kui ka bill ni pan kelai ka ni ka banking law amendment bill arajar kui Bakamut man kelas ke bank shimet ya artli ke bank sarkar, bat kawai ke insurance company. Government hakani kalapan bana bah hakani ka winter session juga parliament kamut ban wanrai ta kawai ka bill ban kala bank shimet. Tengi liang chungki association liang juga bank, bat ni kiwi ro ki trade union. Ya snok tilang bat ni nya nimban si bang hapan ya khang arsni, bat ni habel strike arsni. Ban ya persya ya kani ka jikmu juga sarkar ban wanrai kani ka bill. Sementara kani ka bill kalong balai bangia persyaw ni. Kini ki bang syai ka hakini ki sne macam syai ka sok lain padai. Ibun ki bang ki bang shimet. Hadin kata apa ki lap kini ki bang shimet. Kilong ki bang bamla ban yarap ki buduk sok i buri budet paria. Di hadin kata apa ki sewanra baki sapan kala no shiki ni ki bang sarkar ki sesang ban mi kini ki bang sarkar. Nadu ba mi kini bang sarkar pade buri buduk busuk buri budet paria berkhot ki pajba ki sedang ban yo ya kata ka jing yarap na liang jung bank yo ban pli account yo ban simram ibarat nang ta ka jing em jung ki brio pasta mata suki pat ngilap ha ka sunroofs nem suki ka ni ka sarkar ka ba manta pat ka le biang ban pen kalab yang ikini ki bank sarkar ka ba train nam ta ki patba ka le ban pen kalab yang shi ki bank shimet ka ong ba kini ki bank sarkar kimla ban treba kimla ban yonong kan bhai ki ladang ki pen kalash ki bank shimet hendai gani ka dei ka ba thop kamdi ka jingsya kata
Kinong ya lambat ki dekat jong ka Khasi Students Union kila sya berngem lengba ka shithi ka ba umshim ladon basoi kerteng ka ba ong ba ka sponsored agency jong ka sarkar jilla police department ba ka don ka jing thmu ban shim ye ka jing em jong kinong ya lambat kat tu kat ningut ki dekat jong ka KSU kani ka seng ka ong ba kan shim khia ye kani bat ba kan ti ru ye ka tulong jong kani ka shithi Habakren hikilat pathai Khubor u Presiden jangka KSU uba Lambok Star Marngar uloong bakik KSU kamting ye kibakum kini kijing penting ko tempan batkan yai yakun ye kahok jangka jai benriu new trap. Kibadon bor kilak ban shimi kijing jang kirkhat ka KSU Henry kinumla apat ban penduk pendamia ka sain perkhat bat ikijing terai kam jangka seng loong usamla Marngar.
Don nong tau ban bu ye katarik ka poringi bangin sta ni selaju pertai. Kepentak kebaar bat kalong ba kejing poi gum ni city kalong ba kejing ai mesim pingi ku kisam la bang ya syakma yim tieng yim ri ngaju keren barbor ba kejing penting la kalong keyboard songkaan la keyboard song sarkar bat ngila sakhiru wat da kejing syashim je kejing em ju kitkot kisna momon swaru kam ne kejing penkut yam ni sai penting jong kejing ele jong ni nam taban dawa ki hok jong jai bende kira ban susyam tang jeng em hari kenam ban sim ni taka spirit ne kam sem ide ke jongi kebanta ka balai pat makwa ban keren hot ngim hak jinya denti jeng ki isu bo per ngi tang khu hi pat ki bor ka ai na report support isu kem ki khot ka bor support nai ngim judan ka tak tak jeng bu sni ka jeng shun wat ki bor ka ai do ma ki pendap ki jong duty tenrei la da ban poi du put ban yakta personal ban dan kata jengmu pun nomor penyak ngatarai tit for tat ngalaban nong ba nginam la susna tarai ka sepoi ka por hap suya pendiat pot markele nomor wai ban sya ba susah jam ba ya kedo kamet ancuan tar ancuan penjot di kubipa ti kata ka nongrem ka ba ngi yang mat habang ya keren bat ki palam ni selok ki khat kalong ba hot kadai kisti bekrem thok kerteng Andrei nginam sim sting ni kakam ngihapan budin namar klem kedon kading kanami ketrem bak klem be kal air kanam ki islam tikum kaseng yang ramba bat kita kicing penting ko tempan yo se kadai sebentar pensier pensmi penrandin girkhot na kisna terekam ba per andai ka khubor ke ba na kisna terekam ba per jongka ki su kelen ni pun terap kolong yelong kawai ngim don kono kejing randit ngim don no kejing smi bat haju ko por kadan ni kejing klut kejing bitar dai ngi cukren ye ki pranoilam to kit khot kaseng kalong hot ni la bandang lung ka karta handai ni yaw pat kejing bot perkhat bak kata kalong ngim jubam je klut bat ngim jupat set ti halal kita ki nogrem ba ki isu ko per ni kren ngen yak chakmat kan kan randit bat halal ni siti ru ngesnang budien la ka dei tolong banai bat kalong kumno ko sisti nang bangin soto wa nin saparkhat e gilat anti bakum kaseng ni sejat nang syakmat
Ken
Ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District mentakasngi kala letbo ia ka complain sya Deputy Commissioner Riboy District lingba ikong FM Lakyang MCS ibaderu additional Deputy Commissioner Kasing kalayo jingtip baka company Jindal India Limited kabana Kolkata kebejuan bo ikitiar lekumba kat tu kat ni benai na kebenta ka jal Jivan Mission bat kaladon ka jingduna baka ni company ka pha ik GI pipe ki bam yahap setia bat ka purchase order jang ka tanat PHC jang ka sarkar Meghalaya Kumta kasing kalalit bantau ikite ki GI pipe bat kala shem bagi duna shisha kat kum ka purchase order namarha ka purchase order lapen mang banthit ki medium quality GI pipe ki bakhya 0.5 kilo henre in the lalit bantau na kalyang kasing ki shem bagite ki GI pipe ki khiatang 100.1 kilo bala shem balawan ra de ki low quality GI pipe ha ka jaka jeng ki medium quality GI pipe Usamla rangba Ferdinand Khalkam ni habakren syaki lat pathai Khubor uloong bagani ka jingle jongani company ka bu jingmai ki patba banyo jingmentoi na kani ka scheme namar bagini ki GI pipe papha kani ka company ki long ki bala ban snew hapo shisnem bat kan long ka jingdu nong ka bakrawi ki patba ka KSU lingbau executive engineer kala phaban si se ka tega kali ka badon yu number WBR lai E Sanyo Khandanyo kabalakit ikitiki pipe bat kalaburu ka jingkli ya ka company jong ka sarkar India kabale ikabiling kumno ka ailat ikitiki company ban supply ikitiki mar claim da check sanibha kaseng ha kajuk kapor kaladawa da ka magisterial inquiry halor kani kabenta
kani
ladang ong kentin kabak khor kalong bai kabamsam abong bamsap kamut kajikta kamta yangi kipai ba kamtam e yuduk suk uban up yakane ka skim kamulong sisa kata ka skim kamulong kecimuntoi namta ka chongki tilada kawan long kumne namar kipor mensuar klai ngilaya lemba jong khau plastik kabala poi saduk sha po jela hapo ka jela ka jongi hapo Shillong bat wat ngilaya lemba kini ki jaka go down ki bron station po khanapara ni tip sai bakalong kumta pat ngi kwa ba kani kanam skut tanghane po inquiry hendai ban kem yikibru penukam bakla ya kani skim dak ba kinyo jumto yelade ban ngong mene ba ngi nakliang jungi sedang swatang na po ka district jungi lemba I klido jungi ka district I madam RM kurba bat hadin kani ngi sabut ru ini kwari hadu kanu kapoy bat ngi poy ru shadu Shillong wat langi don kam banle shadu sipo CBI ru ni aputip yaki bakinle don kam namar ba ngi don ki proofs ngi don ki kot ki slide bobiang kabaladai kapor ngin sa pen I ikat kom ke kam jongka inquiry ke don kam tamde ayen kontin ka pan bam sarang yu tu pipe ka baong ba une bane artole kosnem kan tulong pat ne tang hapo sisnem yai kanong kan judonong pada ju opor habangi ong nisa hajaka balong lum habangi do kam ben yu pipe ru tang na taru pipe du pipe bat ka ba do kam e halong hane ni sothu bala dala implement ni scheme klaya sai hadu kane ka sadon ko kapor ka ba kane ka scheme kanamlong kum ka jing jikso jikwa jong ka sarkar kami ban pembiang kumbam undi kemane tang sistem ai hapo jong ka district ka jungi bat kumjuru hapo ka jela ka jungi dengan so ba kane kan kam ba nakliang jong I klidu jong ka district I kong RM kurba bat kumjuru ki minister concern bat badan hapo department ru ki simpiai kane mar kane kade ka scheme jong pai ba te ngasoru benong hani kapor lemba jong telefon Syau Steve Engineer jong ka Unsting PHE subdivision nila pentip kali syau ba ulasis ne ambil kali rekat mentau persis rengla thayu ba unsis kali nomor kadai hapo ka jingpet kami jong division ka jong u ba un verify yo way pipe batum ka jingpo pengla verify ngi menen ba mi 6.1 kg ba nang liang jukiru bakin verify bakin ho lemba ju I syak sarkar ba une pipe umlong uba bha ka quality but ladangi pet lemba juga third party lane ka party concern ka badan hapo akal kata ka plathung da sarkar but verify but certified ya kide ki pipe shobanle ka billing hangne la pausai ba lashple tang bende kom but kini ki pipe kimi nang tina po kata kamot ki kham certified khindia gro ban tip ba medium quality ude low quality
Superintendent of Police ke West Janta District Udi Marak haka khat santarik nopra ula plat pai ba eka music video kabala pinmi da ka jinge trelang ke West Janta District Executive Force ka Ribhoi District Executive Force ka 3rd Battalion Meghalaya Police ka Sabasen bat ka 6th Battalion Meghalaya Police Umran kini ke music video lathau halor ko nongrim ban penpau ke jing sngongu ikipara nong teri pulit bawat hapedeng ke jing thrang ke jing angnut bandon bentalang bat ki baying asem ki bei bathon ha ka Christmas Henry Kim Shim la rengkang la ke benta ban pendap ke jing dawa jong ka kamram bala ban shet haki ban wanra ke jing penkre ka Christmas ka bayat bei yat rinti bat ke besuk besan hapedeng ki pat ba baro Bat gum ki nong tray pulit pan ki yo ban lek kemen Christmas tang hapo kadara jong katanak pulit kum shi yang chisem. Kum taye ke nik jing rai la ai bat pen krek kerpang na kebenta jong baro ki nong tray pulit ki bala IT met bat min sim da kabalen ye ladi klem tingka shu wat hapdeng ke jing jingai na la ki ba age bathon ki ba ying hasem hakum ke ni kapor Christmas.
On the occasion of launching this video, I would like to urge upon everybody to celebrate Christmas responsibly, considering COVID protocols so that everyone is safe and secure. We as a policeman, we celebrate Christmas along with the duty so that everyone out there is safe and secure during this festive season. Now I launch this music video.
Christmas is a time when we all want to be with our families and our loved ones. But for many police personnel, it is a time where we have to go an extra mile to ensure that people enjoy Christmas during this Christmas season. In spite of being away from our families, we leave no stone unturned to go beyond our call of duty to ensure a peaceful Christmas celebration. The police personnel celebrate Christmas with our larger Meghalaya police family. Therefore, this song is dedicated to all the police personnel for their selfless act and dedication to duty away from their families at this time. We thank you for your service. We wish you a blessed Christmas and a happy New Year.
Christmas banwan baro shiying indon hajan hari usnem labas ngau saka Christmas la shem tayo kadai ayom bas ngau tenan pikwa yangi bandon rengkat
bandon rengkat bat pi ni kwa bat pi dudu i thei uba nang le kumno kakam kam sha namar kate ngam long banja
Bat dak itu ke khubor ngilapoi syakabukut tak ada pengindah syam biang kublai shibon.